This is not just dancing, this is healing, this is transforming. I've always loved to dance. In fact, my mother tells me I danced before I started to walk. Growing up, I trained as a contemporary dancer, but post-college, I got into the media. During my 3-month sabbatical, I met Sohini and I attended one of her intensive programs in Bombay. And I was completely blown away by the power of dance movement therapy to positively impact a person. When I was 10 years old, I experienced child sexual abuse for a number of years, and I never thought I would ever talk about it to anybody. Basically, I thought that I would take it to the grave. It really took over who I started becoming. I was incredibly angry, bitter. I was a bully in school. But all of that changed when I experienced dance movement therapy for the very first time. It helps to process repressed trauma. Now, I mostly work with girls who've been rescued from sex trafficking and girls who've experienced sexual violence. And the amount of trauma that the body has experienced at that level cannot be processed in words. Like, those are things you cannot explain and sit across a table and process. Dance movement therapy is safe, not threatening or intrusive.
She is very committed, she is very passionate, who wanted to take this as a career option, but she wanted to become also a dance movement therapy change maker, which is Sampurnata model.
Now I do most of Kolkata Samved's work in Pune and in Mumbai. And a major turning point for me was being part of a team that kickstarted the diploma course in dance movement therapy. This is still a relatively new field in India, but training social workers, psychologists and teachers in dance movement therapy will really take it to more people who need it.
Just in one session, personally, I have experienced the powerful release in my body when I was undergoing certain trauma. And it has been a positive change, an ongoing change that I have experienced ever since. I'm really happy for this therapy.
I also do sessions for private clients. The first time a client experiences their burden lifting is when I know why I do what I do.
So Rinelle is one of those exceptional examples of survivors who've been able to break out from their own trauma. They've been able to come to terms with it and therefore bring that healing, bring that perspective, bring that experience to survivors across the city and across the state.
Dance movement therapy is a tool that really transformed my life, and I'm so glad that it's helping others to transform their lives as well. Because even when we don't realize it, our bodies are wired for healing. We just need to take that first step and we can find joy again. It's a human thing.